11 Pro screen replacement. Go ahead and take these bottom screws out.
Well, that's because you're older now, but before you had a lot of good hair. No, it was right here. But he wasn't always like that until he got old.
Let's see.
Oh, you know, she has lupus. No, I think that's something that he's putting, and he's brushing his hair all the time. When he was a kid.
Apple repair.
Hey, what's up, man? I have a question.
All right.
I have a MacBook Pro and my battery drained all the way to nothing, and now it's not turning on when I'm charging it. Do you know if that's normal or?
Well, you have to bring it in so we can check it.
For sure.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
All right, bye. Unplug the battery. Unplug the battery right here. Take out these 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it's 5 screws right here. That'll unplug the screen and proximity sensor. It's real easy.
What happened?
Now you unplug the screen and proximity. Now remove the proximity sensor from the screen. Transfer that over.
I remember.
Get that 3 screws. Okay. And that's done.
But the thing was, how he did it, he like said it and he just was like,
okay, transfer that over to the new screen.
I know you see this. He was like, you know you see this.
Sometimes that thing will get stuck. Don't worry about it. Just stick it over here like that. Take this off. Take this off. Put your proximity sensor over.
Right, yeah.
Screw these back.
You flipped it. I can't believe she still has them. Up.
this like that. Plug this back. Plug your screen up.
Look at the eyelashes.
Put this back
And he's
on.
like this.
Sit back.
Oh, God. Oh, God. Yeah, he was the non-shy one, Renee wouldn't come out.
Plug the battery back. Put this back.
Mm-hmm. Shit, they gonna be like this. You ain't talking to me.
Done deal.
I just told Destiny about everything.